Forex is a place where traders always have to survive. That's why it's said that it's more difficult to survive than to earn money in Forex. Since it's difficult to survive in Forex, every trader has to fight constantly. Now, survive means you sit in the market with a laptop and do your trade. So you have to change yourself and you have to update yourself time to time. That's where we are bringing expert level video so that you can analyze like an expert trader. I'm going to share a great video today in that series. So be sure to watch the video carefully till the end. So hello viewers, I'm an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. The topic we will share today is how you can find out about market breakout. Many of you know that when the market breaks out, the market moves a lot of pips. So if you know when the market will break before the breakout, then it's possible to earn huge profit from the market. Market moves 500 pips, 600 pips or even 1000 pips after breakout, and those who are expert traders never miss such a chance. So today we will show you how to follow the breakout strategy. There are several patterns in Forex to learn about market breakout. They will let you know about breakout. There are flag pattern, pennant, triangle pattern and rectangle pattern, etc. Through this pattern, market breakout are known, and if you can absorb it, then you can make a very good amount of profit without any hesitation, because breakout happen in almost time. We have already uploaded video with some of this pattern. There are talked about a few more pattern, including the flag pattern. You can watch that video. Basically, in this case of breakout strategy, trader get into trouble with two issues. First of all, many people get confused because of some kind of pattern. Secondly, you don't know exactly when the market will break out. So in many cases, you have to make a loss by entering with false breakout signal. So we will talk about these two big problems. The first time you see a pattern with two support and resistance lines, it's called rectangle pattern. Surely you know what rectangle pattern look like. There are two lines above and below which are slightly larger and two lines on either side which are slightly smaller. So if we imagine two lines on each side of this pattern, then surely you understand what size it looks like. Since two lines have already been drawn in the support and resistance zone above and below, so this pattern looks like rectangle. That's why it's called rectangle pattern. Then when a trend line and a support line combine to create a pattern, it's called triangle pattern. Then again, when a pattern is created with two opposite trend line, as you can see on the screen, it will be called pennant. There will be two trend line on both sides. That means one trend line if going down, the other trend line will be up. So this is pennant. Then when a pattern is created by two similar trend line, it will be called flag pattern. In other words, two trend line will be the same direction. This is called flag pattern. It will be much easier if you remember this way. We made it a little easier so that you can easily remember. It doesn't matter what happened you get. You need to figure it out and analyze it properly so that you can get a good breakout signal. It can be flag pattern, can be triangle pattern or can be rectangle pattern. We have uploaded few video on the flag pattern before and we have shown the detailed use of it and the entry with profit. Those who haven't seen this video must watch this video, because a lot of profit can be made by following this breakout strategy. So if you can master it, then you can get more profit from Forex. So you have to follow this pattern. You can do breakout trading. Those who are new may ask how to set up this trend line or support and resistance. Support, resistance and trend line have to be set up by looking at different points of the market. This means that you have to set up all these places where the market has changed its trend. As you can see here, the market has came to this point, but then its trend has changed. You have to set up by looking at this point. After setuping, if it looks like a triangle, then you have to understand that it's a triangle pattern. Then if it looks like a rectangle, that means a support and resistance above and below, then it's a rectangle pattern. Many people do mistake while trying to find out this pattern, because many people think that the market will go straight up and down and make this pattern, but the market does not move like this. You have to find out out from the market instantly. When you spend a lot of time in the market, you can find out trend and you can find out everything with the naked eye. And the feature of this pattern is that the market will fluctuate in this pattern for a long time. As you can see on the screen, the market is fluctuating from one line to another line. But when it breaks out, then the market goes up or down for a long time. So we can follow and we can take entry from there. A lot of time when the market breaks out support and resistance line, we immediately set our entry. This is not right because it carries the risk a lot of time, as many would take a buy order in such a breakout place. But if we look at whether it actually broke the market or not, we will see that there was a false breakout signal because the market pulled down. Now the question may arise in which direction the market will go, that is up or down, how we understand it. So when you first find out a pattern, then wait for the market to break it and going up or down. However, you have to notice whether the market breaks the line strongly or not. As I have shown before, the entry can't be taken just by crossing the line a little. For example, a big candle has been made here and market has break out the line. But we can see that the candle has broken out even though it's a big candle, but a little bit candle broke this line. So we have to wait, but we can see market is down again. So wait for one or two more candles. As we can see in this place, some bearish candle made and market broke out the trend line. If we look at the market, then we can see that the market has created a downtrend structure for a long time. This way you can easily find out breakout signal. That's why you must practice, then anything can be mastered. Whatever the pattern, you will follow exactly the same way. The market will make this pattern many times, and whenever you see it breaking out, you will follow the same system to make an entry and refrain from false breakout. That's why after breaking out, you have to wait for one or two more candles. Then you will take entry. And I have a request for you: if you like this video, at least subscribe our channel and give us a like on this video, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot to do better video. It may not take 1 or 2 seconds to subscribe and like, but it's a big thing for us to give a better video for you. If you want to know something and if you want to know any good strategy or analysis or any indicator, let us know in the comment box. FOREX BD obviously help you in any situation. And last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX BD's link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX BD's link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.